Good evening, dear brothers and sisters. Yesterday, we all celebrated the 77th Independent Day of our country. We are happy to say that we are in independent India. Before 1947, we faced a lot of problems because all our resources, our important resources, were taken by the British people. Exploitation of work took place in several parts of the country. Famines were there. We enjoy freedom because of the sacrifices of many people, thousands and thousands of people who lost their lives, who struggled, who fought for independence. They belong to different religions, communities, classes. When British people, they took the wealth and resources to their countries. This was a big problem because we people were in famine. We faced a lot of problems. Thousands and thousands of people participated in freedom struggle. They did a lot of sacrifice and they even fought. They went to jail. They were harassed by the British people. But under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi and many other freedom fighters, we finally got our independence in 1947. All these 76 years, India developed in all the fields. In spite of our increase in population, we are developing in all the fields. Per capita income has increased and there are many technologies. One side we are happy to see the development in our country, the progress made all these 76 years, but other side we are worried about the threat to the integration of our country. We are proud to say that we are a big democratic nation in the world. We proudly say that unity in diversity is there in our country. India is a landscape of mountains, valleys, deserts, coastal areas, and so on. People live on the mountains, people live on the valleys, people live on the coastal areas, deserts, and different parts of the country. People speak a variety of languages. It has been said there are almost 780 languages. And different religions are there in our country. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jain people. But we are all living together. We are accepting one another. How they are, we accept them. We live with the neighbor who is a Muslim. We live with the neighbor who is a Christian. We go to the shops run by Hindus. We go to the schools run by Christians. We go to the hospitals built by Christians. We go to the mutton shop run by the Muslims. But we are together. No discrimination is found all these years. There are many beautiful monuments constructed by the Muslim people. There are many hospitals started by the Christians. The work of the Christian missionaries was very great. Before independence, India had some evil practices like sati, child marriage, female infanticide, child marriage, human sacrifices, and so on. Many evil practices were there in our country, which were removed by the British people. The Christian missionaries fought for these problems. So Muslim or Christian or Hindu or Sikh or any other religion is not a matter. Upper caste or lower caste, this caste, the word caste should be removed from our dictionary. Word caste should be removed from the certificate. When a person is admitted in hospital in a serious critical condition in ICU, and he needs a blade, a bottle of blade, he won't ask, nobody will ask whether it is blood of whose religion, whose community. All this will not be considered. The life has to be saved. Basically, we are human beings. Everyone has the same problem, same type of blood. Everyone has same color of blood, same type of problem, same. Every human being born on the earth will die. Here there is no discrimination. My dear brothers and sisters, first of all, let's have the feeling of that we are all human beings. When someone is suffering on the road, some accident takes place, some injury is there, and they are bleeding, immediately our heart goes for them. We are broken. Really, if we have humanity, we will help them. Basically human beings, then we are Indians, then only we consider our religion, our work, our languages, all this. Basically we are all Indians. On Independence Day and Republic Day only we have these feelings. When the national songs are played, we are proud, we are proud, we have the feeling that we are all Indians. What about the other time? Every people belong to any community, any religion, any state, they have contributed to our freedom. I have provided the list of some freedom fighters. Here you can see all type of people are there in this list. So let's teach our children, tomorrow's generation. Let's teach love, kindness, humanity to them. Let's teach not to develop hatred among themselves. Teachers, parents, and the society play a very important role in developing a child apart from caste, religion, etc., all these things. Basically, teach them to be a human being first. We are hearing the incidents that took place in Nanganeri in Tamil Nadu. How this type of hatred developed at the age of 17, 16. Who is responsible for this? So for all these problems, the only solution is educate your children. Education can take your children to the next level. You may belong to any sort of the categories, but if your children are educated, they will go to the next level. Education gives knowledge, it gives wisdom to eradicate all this discrimination in the societies. It will make good human beings. If your child is educated, you are opening the eyes of the child. So my request is, enlighten the life of your children by giving education, by teaching good values in the beginning itself. Because tomorrow when they grow up, they should not develop a hatred among their fellow human beings. Then we will be the one who are making the mistakes. We elders make mistake in making a good society, a peaceful society. It is a responsibility of every Indian to think about the integrated India. Otherwise, we will face a lot of problems in future. Let's think for a while. Thank you.